Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, is it too late for me? Is it too late for me to start over? Or have you ever felt paralyzed by doubt, wondering if you still have time to live the life that you deserve? Well, let me tell you something. Doubt is like quicksand. The longer you stand in it, the deeper you sink. But what if I told you that today could be the turning point? Today could be that day that we tackle doubt. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have some practical steps to break free from that doubt and start truly living. Welcome back to our community of strong, resilient men and women reinventing ourselves at 40, 50, and even 60 and beyond. It's never too late. This channel is all about starting over, rebuilding, and embracing the journey of becoming the best version of ourselves. If you're ready to stop letting fear and self-doubt hold you back, you're in the right place. And I'm so happy that you're here. In today's video, I'll share 3 actionable steps you can take to silence that inner critic and start living with purpose. And don't worry, I'll include real life scenarios, calculations, and examples to make it practical and relatable. So grab a cup of tea and join me. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about recognizing the voice of doubt in our head. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a pool, ready to dive in. How many times have we done that? But the voice in your head says, what if you fail? What if you look foolish? What if you don't come up? That voice thrives on the fear of the unknown. But here's the truth. Most of what we fear never actually happens. You know what they say, the only thing we fear is fear itself. So studies show that 85% of the things that we worry about, they never come true. Let's say you've been thinking about starting a small business or taking a class that you've always wanted to. Your doubt says, you're too old, you can't do this. What are you going to do at this age? But flip that thought. What if you succeed? What if that class introduces you to a lifelong friend and opens some new doors? What if it opens an opportunity that you never thought of? So take out a piece of paper right now, write down your biggest doubt, and then write 3 reasons it might not be true. When you challenge yourself and you challenge your self-doubt, you weaken its hold on you. Overcoming doubt isn't about making huge leaps. It's about consistent small steps. Picture this. If you saved just $10 a week for a year, that's $520. Small, right? But it adds up. The same goes for personal growth. One step at a time, $1 at a time, one thought at a time, one action at a time, and it all adds up. And by the end of the year, you won't recognize yourself. A woman in our community, Karen, wanted to get back into painting after 30 years. Her first step, buying a sketch pad. That small action reignited her passion, and now she sells her artwork online. What have you left that you want to start again, but you have the doubt that you can't do it? What's one small, bold step you can take today? Comment below and let's cheer each other on. Remember, action builds confidence. Doubt loves isolation, but confidence grows in community. Think of your environment like a garden. If you plant flowers but surround them with weeds, what grows stronger? The weeds, of course, right? Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Join groups, listen to uplifting podcasts, or tune into channels like this one that remind you of your worth. If you spend just 15 minutes a day consuming positive content, that's over 90 hours of positivity in a year. Imagine the shift in your mindset. Imagine what you can do. Lisa, another subscriber, started walking with a neighbor 3 times a week. Not only did she get healthier, but those walks became her therapy sessions. Community matters. Doubt will always knock on your door, but you don't have to invite it in for tea. You can keep it at bay. Recognize your doubt, take small steps, and surround yourself with positivity. If this video spoke to you at all, hit that like button and subscribe for me for more empowering content. Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one and love hearing your stories. Remember, remember, it's never too late to stop drowning in doubt and start living fully. You got this. I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next video. Join our community of women and men reinventing their lives after 30, 40, 50, and 60 like me. Let's do this journey together. Until then, stay strong, stay doubtless, one step at a time, one thought at a time, and we will all make it together. Till next time, be the best you can be.